Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study operative dentistry step by step. First, build a strong foundation by understanding dental anatomy and occlusion. Next, master the various cavity classifications and preparation principles. Finally, delve into the different restorative materials, learning their properties and appropriate applications for successful clinical outcomes. This structured approach ensures comprehensive learning. To solidify your knowledge, actively engage with the material. Use comprehensive textbooks and reliable online resources for in-depth information. Crucially, practice cavity preparations on typodonts to develop essential manual dexterity and precision. Additionally, reviewing diverse clinical cases will help you apply theoretical knowledge to practical, real-world scenarios, enhancing your diagnostic skills. As you progress, explore advanced topics such as dental adhesion and aesthetic dentistry to broaden your expertise. Consistent review of key concepts is vital to reinforce your understanding and ensure long-term retention. For exam preparation, actively practice multiple-choice questions and case-based scenarios to build confidence and improve your test-taking strategies effectively. Continuous learning is paramount in operative dentistry. Stay updated with the latest techniques, materials, and research through journals and conferences. Joining study groups can provide valuable peer insights and help you discuss complex cases. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot Smart Speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. This ongoing engagement ensures you remain a competent and current practitioner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.